This is the chapter 3 and 4 AP question. So we're trying to find the heights of 25 women compared to their father. So right here we have to draw the least squares regression line, which if I put this up, it's right here. So it has a value of 34.6239 plus 0.4315x when I plugged in the 24 values, or 35.1 plus the 0.427x. It still gives you a very close line. I just got a different value when I plugged in all the values on my calculators separately. So moving on to the next part, part B. One father's height was 67 inches and the daughter's height was 61 inches. Circle the point, which I have done here in red, and then draw a segment on the scatter plot that corresponds to the residual, which would be drawn up to the linear regression line, and then the numerical value. So here's the regression of our linear regression of our data, and it's still circled in red. And the value of this would be 67. So a numerical value of 67 in the residual plot is negative 2.532 inches. So that's our numerical value. And then for part C, suppose the point 8471 is added. Would the slope of the least squares regression line increase, decrease, or remain the same? So it would actually increase because the point is slightly above the regression line. And if we move here into part A, 8471, which would be right here, is slightly above the regression line because the axes have lines at every two. So 84, 72, 71 right here. So it would be slightly above our regression line. And then for part D, would the correlation increase or decrease? Well, since it's that 8471 is still very close to our line, the correlation would increase because the point is very close to our linear regression line. When you add that value of 8471 to the chart, it will be an increase in correlation since all those values already are represented by the regression line, and since the value 8471 is very close to that line, it would increase the correlation.